What is going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Hankinson Music here, and today in this video we're doing a review on two products. So I ordered a replacement case for my Airpods Pro on Amazon, and they were about $34, and I'll leave them linked down below. And as well as that, I have this. It's a Kagos case for my AirPods second generations that I'm going to be having delivered later on today. Yeah, I'll do it in a bit. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so let's move my light. And let's do that. Okay, so I've got these. And it's got pretty good packaging. As you guys can see, I already opened it. Sorry about that. Anyway, as you guys can see, I already opened it because just to make this quicker. So, take the paper off of it. And it's got like the similar like plastic to like fake AirPods. Where's my fake Pods Pro? Whatever, doesn't matter. Anyway. Alright, anyway. So here's the box. It's pretty basic, nothing on the top. It's just a barcode, bottom, nothing, left, right, nothing. And on the back, as you guys can see, I have it checked off for black. How's that even? I can't even. It's backwards. Man, whatever. Anyway, let's get this all opened up. Alright, so it's got a little instruction manual that tells you how to do everything. Got English, then you got whatever this language is, Chinese, I'm guessing. I don't want to. I don't know. Alright. Get that out of the way. No, get out of the way. Alright, so get them out of the box. It's actually in there pretty good. So, it's in a beautiful dog pay bag. We got, that's a lot heavier than I was actually expecting. See, I was expecting it to be really light and cheap, but well, as you guys can hear from that, it sounds pretty heavy, but doesn't open up as much as the Real Pros case does, which is a bummer, but I mean, it still works. And it is dead currently, so I won't be able to charge them and see if it works or not. But they do go in. As you can see, they go in there pretty well. Then, it's flashing red, so I'm guessing that means the case is dead or the earbuds are dead or either or. But that's that. So I'll leave that link down in the description below. So, move on to the next product. We got a Kagos case, an armor case for my AirPods second generations. And it's specialized in designing high quality stylish earphone cases, yada yada yada. Anyway, let's get into it. As you guys can see, I opened this already too. So, okay. I don't know why I did that. I just wanted to hear what it sounded like in the monitoring on here. Okay. Build quality's there, by far. It's got, like, carbon fiber on it. And it's got and it's in two pieces. Get that foam out of there. And it's got, like, little shock absorbers. So it's definitely built, and it's got a little carabiner on it, so you can clip it onto something. I'll clip it onto here, I guess. I don't know. Just something to clip onto. I better not do that because I'm sure I'm going to break something. And so I have a broken pair of AirPods second generation, or fake AirPods second generation. As you can see, they're somewhat realistic-ish with the clicking. Like the clicking on it is ridiculous, how loud it is, but it still works as a Airpods Pro case. Oh, look at that. Still use the button. Makes it a bit quieter, as you can see, but not by much. Then you slap the top on it, and there you go. As you can see, it's a pretty durable case. I'm not going to do any drop tests or whatever with it because I don't want to break the brand new AirPods. Well, they're not brand new. They're used and I'm sure pretty dirty or whatever, so I'm going to have to clean them up. But I'm probably not going to use the carabiner on it because I'm just going to have it in my pocket. Whatever. And it stays in there pretty good as well. So, let's give that credit. But, like, the plastic on it, though, it's like good. It's like built well. It's like definitely good quality plastic. So that's definitely a plus. And I dropped it yet again. Oh, Lord. But that's that. So, I started cracking my neck. Alright. So, that shall do it for this video, guys. If you guys liked the video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe. And I will be doing a review on the AirPods 2nd generations in one sec. So, it should be arriving pretty soon. I don't know if you guys... Oh, you guys can't see it anyway because it's backwards. But it should arrive today by at least 8 p.m. All these were supposed to arrive by 8 p.m. And I doubt you can see that, but let me do something. Hold up. Do transform. Flip horizontal. All right, now you guys can see it. As you guys see, it was delivered. Those things were delivered today. Now I'm just waiting on the 2nd generation AirPods. Transform. Flip horizontal again. All right. So that's that. I thought a review while I have a chance. Oh, that's right. I haven't done a review on my laptop yet. But I will do that in another video. Alright? If you guys liked the video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe. And leave both of these products linked down below. For the case, both cases. And with that, I don't know. Sorry about that. But anyway, I shall see you guys in the next video. Alright? Peace.